Ask your locksmith.
What services do locksmiths offer?
The following is a partial list of the many services available. Keys duplicated, lost keys replaced, master key systems, locks changed, locks installed, locks replaced, deadbolts, window locks, window bars, cars unlocked, lost car keys replaced, homes and offices unlocked, safes sold and serviced, combinations changed, safes opened, burglar alarms for homes, businesses and autos, card, keypad, push-button, mechanical or electronic access systems. Not all locksmith companies offer all these services, and some may actually specialize in only one or two areas.